I think the time for universities to just teach has passed, unless something is happening very fast in terms of making sure that students are either getting into jobs or becoming entrepreneurs. The point of higher education, I think, will be lost. So certainly, if we're to continue being relevant as institutions of higher learning, then the Career Services Office is going to be at the heart of the university operations.
On behalf of the Education Collaborative, we'd like to officially welcome you to the 2024 Career Strategy Workshop.
The objective behind that was to help them, work with them throughout each of the days to actually help them create a plan that is practical, that can meet the specific needs and gaps they have in their institution.
I was able to develop a draft strategy, which with time I will be able to mold it and make it something that is fully functional for the university.
At the end of the workshop, everybody has gone away with a strategy that helps them to begin doing work towards creating or developing their career services function in their respective institutions. And so that's really a great win, because it's a starting point for what we hope is going to help these institutions impact graduate employability outcomes.
The fact that we're going to work with them for the next 6 months is very beneficial. So it's not just sitting here and drawing up strategy, it's that we're going to work with them, achieving whatever goals they've set for themselves. When they get stuck, helping them, figuring out how to solve the problem. This workshop is just the beginning.
I think there's going to be huge systemic changes, because the solutions they have come up with are not just solutions for a department. These are solutions that are going to impact the entire institution, are going to impact different stakeholders, both internally, students, staff and faculty, management, as well as external stakeholders, employers, regulators, etc. So it's the entire spectrum that is going to be impacted by these plans. And with the support the Education Collaborative is giving, with the support of the facilitators and the mentors on the program, I think this is really going to create an amazing success stories for the different institutions and by extension for all of Africa. So I'm really looking forward to that.